Yo. Alright, y'all. So back with another daggone video. What's good, Grizzly Gang? It's your boy Grizzly Money. I'm back with another daggone video. You know, I'm gonna say it again, say it twice. Alright, but yeah, what we're gonna be doing now is, you already know my caliber covers fell off. Shout out to my guy, I think his name is Ronnie. I think his name is Ronnie. But is it Ronnie? That's all the information, bro. Yeah, Ronnie. Yeah, there you go. Ronnie and Lonnie. All right, they're from CCI caliber covers, and I have the new updated one. So the ones I had were outdated, man. I think they were like the first one they had. So now they have a stronger and improved one. So what it is that it has like the lock, like right here. They're still magnetic, and they still get it. But what it is that it covers up everything, and it's a lot stronger. And so I don't have to worry about it falling apart, and everything's already glued on, so I don't have to do none of that stuff. So they're flawless, man. Look at the paint job. Oh, he put some little flakes in it too. I see you, my dog. All right, I appreciate it. Yeah, shout out to CCI caliber covers, man. If y'all see him on IG, here you go, right here. I'm gonna flip it over. CCI caliber covers, man. Check them out, y'all. They got some good caliber covers. I have the Pro series, so they're kind of like basic, but they still give you that pro look and everything. Whoa, that car sound bad. But they still get that pro look and everything. But they have some extreme ones that's just extravagant, bro. If I can't find any of the Brimbos and stuff, like I said, because I do plan on getting some Brimbos, y'all. I want 4-piston or 6-piston. I'm looking for it. You know, them drinks are pricey, and not everybody got the money just to go ahead and buy them all the time. For y'all people that be like, oh, just save up and get the Brimbos. Bro, I have a life, you know. I got other stuff to get, and Brimbos costing what, $2,000 or something like that to even get. All right, so nobody got that type of money just be putting down that fast. All right, I got a family. All right, so I am saving up. Don't get me wrong, y'all. I'm pretty much saving up for the Pro Charger. I would like to get the Pro Charger before I get that, you know, and I can finance the Pro Charger, and that would definitely be cool and help out the business too. But right now, I'm about to put these covers on. Let me show you the other one. And it is a hot day. I don't know what the temperature is, but let's check right now. Me and Charles are about to get done with this. I know it ain't gonna take that long because it's baking. Baking like no. All right, there you go. That's the real part. 82. What it feel like? It feel like 84. Humidity sucks. All that stuff, man. It's bad. It's hot. And we not used to it because, you know, everything is getting back warm. But Maryland's just a different breed, different state, man. It get hot up here, man. So here we go. About to. Oh wait, Charles already lifted the car up for me. Thanks, bro.
Yeah, man,
oh yeah, shout out to Charles, man.
What's going on, man?
The master mechanic. So we're gonna go ahead and do this and get this. Oh, my little thing fell off. I be hearing this flap like that. I need to figure out how to get that put back on. See, look at all that debris that doesn't get on my car anymore. So I gotta figure out. It's probably on eBay, probably get like another replacement or something like that to put on there. We'll figure it out. But let's go ahead and put these caliper covers on, huh? Alright, Grizzly Gang, I'm back in business, man. So the car gonna get washed tomorrow. And put the bra on and everything. But yeah, she got the caliper though, so she gonna pop again, man. Still got that poop on. Yeah, just like the back, I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all already know how she looks with the calipers on. She just looks more structured, just way better. So now I'm about to do the other side. Get this done, man. Hopefully this will come off. I think. Oh yeah, I gotta use this. Go ahead and do this. Alright, y'all, so now I got them loosened up. You already saw. Loosen them up. I'm going to jack up the car. Make sure she's right. Jack her up. Just a few. I think it's all. Ain't gotta do too much. All right. Hey. So left. All right. Yeah, got the meat box. So the ones that just go on, you just make sure that they on there tight. Make sure everything is on there, the magnet. I don't want them just to fall off at all. They're gonna be on there. Heat it up and everything. So there we go. And the food, baby. Alright. I think I gotta jack it up a little bit because I don't think I did it all the way. Alright, so that's how you do it, y'all. CCI caliper covers, man. Make sure they're all good. These things are amazing, man.
So I had a guy hit me up.
Alright. So she is back, y'all. She look like a VA again. Even though I got the finagle caliper covers, but they nice though. They don't look like no other type caliper covers, y'all. I promise y'all would never ever see a caliper cover that look this good on a car. And plus they got better versions of this. I only have the pro one. I don't have the basic, I have like the pro style. So if you look at it, it kind of got like the 6, you see the piston, like this is a piston, that's a piston, that's a piston, then they got like the little outbreak right here and then that. So yeah, it looks good, it looks extravagant, bro. I'm telling you, look at her. Now she look good. Now when you see her, everything pop. The orange really pops. Because when it's just black, the orange don't really pop like that. See, that's why I say detail makes everything. So Black Beauty is back in business. She gonna get washed tomorrow. Get her ready to be shining on the trip. Of course, it might rain. Hopefully it don't rain, so I don't gotta do too much washing of her. But yeah. Oh yeah, I need to get the rear tires because that tire is done. And I'll probably get some used ones for now. And then when I get the real tire, so I'm trying to balance my money right, y'all. Ain't no point of you buying a brand new tire when this wheel is not even gonna be on my car anymore. So let y'all get a good look. And I need to get a spacer for it. I don't know what size I should get, but I definitely need a spacer for it. Get a spacer for it. Appreciate y'all so letting me use his shop like always, man. That's my dog, man. That's my bro. I appreciate his kindness. You know, find y'all somebody like him, man. He's a kind dude and very knowledgeable too. Yes, sir. See, this is perfect. I think I'm gonna, let me see, this one is good. I'm probably gonna cut it from right here so it can be good. Yeah. You guys already subscribe, y'all. I will see you on the next one. I'll probably see you on the next day. Next day will be here soon. Right now. Alright, y'all. So I'm recording on my phone. Hopefully it's nice. I got a new phone, so it ain't shaking and doing all that stuff no more. You know, I got the ring on and stuff, a little ashy, but I cleaned the car. She looking good. Black Beauty shining, baby. Woo! She growling. She ready for the trip, man. Ready to put her on the road to get dirty again, of course. But yeah, when you can see your reflection in the car, you know your car clean. All right, y'all, about to get on this road. First I gotta get packed. And let me talk to y'all real quick. Oh, so I need a shave. I'm about to shave my face, but we about to go to Ohio. Me, the family, and little Roscoe. So we about to go to Ohio, man. Y'all stay tuned for the trip. I'm gonna, you know, every stop we take or whatever, I'm gonna record. I'm gonna record a little bit as we go. I put that that window repellent on my car, so she looks shiny. I don't know if it's like it looks shiny as a mug. So I put that what is it called? I think it's the rain repellent or whatever. I put that stuff on it just in case it does rain. Yeah, I know how it is in the mountains. It be raining. Well, if y'all don't, mountains is like iffy. It could be foggy, it could be rainy, and it won't rain nowhere else, and it won't be foggy nowhere else. So you gotta be prepared for that, for the mountain area. So now I'm about to head back home, get packed, get showered, get on this road, and I'll see y'all then.